Vice President of the Telangana Pradesh Congress Committee, Mr. Chamala Kiran Reddy, has said that the party will take a call very soon. There are 4 to 5 contenders in the fray. That's his claim.
This particular post will be declared in Delhi at the AICC. So we are looking for a person with a social engineering, with the organizational background, who has got a very good knowledge about the organization structure. So definitely party will take a good call, a call in very soon, probably in a week time or 10 days. I know there are a lot of aspirants because in Congress party, it's the largest democratic party. Everybody can ask any post here. There is no such criteria. Will be 4 to 5 contenders are there. Madhu Yachki ji is there. Mahesh Kumar Gaud is there. Now recently our Member of Parliament, Balram Nayak, ex-Central Minister is there. There is Niranjan who has been working in the organization for a while is there. These are there. These are all different ST and BC combination is happening.
Now, even as the senior state leaders, V. Hanumanta Rao, among others, back for Mahesh Kumar Gaud for the post of TPCC President, others have put their faith in the party high command to take a final call in this matter.
They wish to become the PCC President. It doesn't mean they are in the race. It all depends upon the Congress High Command. Since beginning, we are requesting the Congress High Command to choose a person who is committed to Congress Party. I have written a letter long back to the AICC President and all High Command leaders. Since last 51 years, I am in the party. I am working in the party. I am committed to the Congress Party. If Congress Party leadership wants to consider me, I will be very happy. I am in the race.
कोई सपोर्ट ने जो मेहनत करा तो रेवंत रेड्डी भी मेहनत करके आया वैसा ही आज ओबीसी का बनना चाहे 2 मरता अपर क्लास के बने तो मेरा एक मतलब है एज ए ओबीसी लीडर के नाते जो पहले से महेश कुमार गौड़ काम कर रहा क्यों मतलब वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट है और एनएसयू यूथ कांग्रेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से आया सबसे उसका इम्पोर्टेंट एनएसयू था यूथ कांग्रेस में था वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्किल मालूम है उनको बनाए तो अच्छा है बोल.
Well, let me go across to Somit once again. Somit, in fact, the people quite candid in what they've actually revealed to you, saying that social engineering is going to be a very important criteria when it comes to choosing the next TPCC president.
Well, Siddharth, because, the main aim is to build a parallel track between the government and the Congress party because several, before polls, they have announced several schemes. So, 6 guarantees we know they have announced initially in Karnataka and then later in Telangana. So, basically, it has to be the party, it has to be the TPCC leaders who are not holding key positions in the government. They should ensure that these schemes, goes into the public, into the downtrodden villages. And mainly, they create these awareness programs and also conduct several, on-ground programs and also instruct MLCs, MPs and MLAs and also lower cadre because mandal level, district level cadre, they are the main important pillars for the, party, for any party. So they need to, the party president should need to ensure that, the schemes which government is implementing, those schemes are, are reaching the public and also the leaders, Karyakartas of the Congress party are creating awareness among the farmers or the mainly people living in the downtrodden villages. So mainly to build this parallel track, Chamala Kiran Kumari Reddy had said that social engineering, a leader with social engineering is much more, important, and we are considering those leaders. And he even revealed names like, Madhu Yachki Gaud and Mahesh Kumar Gaud, both from the BC, J. Niranjan from the SC, and also Balram Nayak from the ST. So, 4 leaders are having the chances, but TPCC top leadership couldn't decide or come to one conclusion of finalizing one name among these 4 leaders or other 20 to 25 leaders who are aspiring for the post. So now the matter is pending with the High Command of the INC, and we will have to wait and see when will Congress take this decision, while the BRS is attacking the Congress that they couldn't even decide on the president post since last 7-8 months.